Hey and welcome back! My name is Daniela and in today's video we are going to sew straps in 5 different ways, from super easy to a bit more advanced. I will also share tons of sewing tips and tricks that I wish I knew sooner. These methods will make your strap look cleaner, stronger and more professional. So grab your fabric. Let's dive in and don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done yet, and let me know in the comments which method is your favorite. So let's begin! Turning fabric strips right side out. There are many tools you can use. Straw plus knitting needle or chopstick. That's small DIY hack. Hairpins or clips, surprisingly effective. Of course, safety pin, classic method. Bobby pin works great with narrow straps, like spaghetti. Of course, you can choose the tool you have at home. Each method works great, depends which one works best for you. And this is what all you need: a healing mat, roller cutter, scissors, pencil, ruler, and scrap of fabric. And small pro tip: it's good to press and iron your fabrics before, during, and after sewing. My 3 favorite methods to cut fabric straps. First method everyone knows, it's using scissors. First on your fabric mark the length and width of your straps, then cut using scissors. Snip, snip, snip. And ready! Cut as many you like. Second method is one of my favorite, is rotary cutter and healing mat. Fold the fabric twice and cut out the strips using a ruler. This method is so quick, you can make endless number of straps in one time. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is my #1 method. This cutting method is pure magic. Just snip the fabric and tear. Just watch how fast the fabric cuts. Which of the methods did you like the most? And which one do you use? Write in the comments. To make sewing strap easier, press them into shape before stitching. fold in half. Now fold edges inside to the center. And press with iron. Again fold and press. And now strap is ready to sew. Fold the strip in half. Pin. Sew along both long sides. Clip corners. Turn the strap right side out. Press flat. And the strap is ready. First method. Finding center and folding in half. Then folding sides to center. Fold again the top. Then fold the strip in half again. Rough edge is now hidden inside. Pin, pin, pin. And sew. And second strap is ready. Fold with right sides together. And sew. Clip corners. And turn right side out. Press flat. And voila, third one is ready. Fold end of the strap as you see. Pin and sew. Clip, tuck inside, pin, and sew. Press flat. And voila, voila, ready. Fold one edge with right sides together, pin and sew. Cut. turn right side out. Fold the rough edges inside and pin. Now it's time for sewing. Pressing. And tada! The last strap is ready! As you see, different methods give different look of straps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you soon!